Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys my Patriotic Decor home tour. We're going to start in the entryway. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Mitzy. I hope you guys will consider subscribing down below. I'm so happy with the way the entryway looks. I love that as soon as you come in, like you see all of these bright colors. I just think it looks so beautiful. And you guys, I was talking to my bestie on here, Nelly, and she was telling me to go to Dollar Tree to see if I could find like these little rods right here. And I remember that I had just taken them off of, like, the flag was on here because I put them on another area that I'll show you guys. But this one fit perfectly on the nutcracker. I wasn't too sure if I should paint it, so I did leave it the original color, but I just think it looks really pretty. And I had to cut it down because this the little stick was so long, so I just cut it down with the knife, but I think it looks super cute. And then just down here, I added those 3 little boots right there. That milk glass one is super cute. Finally got around to painting the Love You More sign. I love the way it looks. I think it looks so much better than the black. And then here's the frames that I exchanged over at Walmart, and I finally picked up the pictures yesterday, which I think look so beautiful. Let me show you guys really quick. Over here on this shelf, I just put a lot of my little smalls over here. I did leave those birds. I think they look so cute. And then up here I have my Uncle Sam, and then I left my pictures in there and then just added those 3. I think they look so cute. I love this little box. I took it all apart and I cleaned it all out because it gets dusty, and I just think it looks so pretty with all the little pictures in there. Look at this guy, so adorable. Those 3 little bears. And then over here, let me turn a little bit more so you guys can see. So just on this wall right here, I just put the tobacco basket and my cotton wreath. And then I picked this up, I think it was at Hobby Lobby, I want to say last year. I didn't see that they had them this year, but I just have my welcome sign and my flag. I almost washed the flag, but the more I kept looking at it, I really like that it kind of looks old. I picked that up at the DI a couple of years ago. And then over here, you guys, I finally painted my wall right here. I'm so happy. So here's my dining room area. And on my table, I did leave it simple. I wasn't too sure what to do here, so I had this flag right here left over. I wasn't too sure where to put it, so I decided to use it like as a little runner. And then I just added those flowers into those milk glass vases, and then added those little flags to it too. And then on here, on my milk glass plate right here, look at how pretty it is. And I just added all of those little dogs on this cloche. I just think it looks really cute. And then over here, I ignore that white part. I had to patch up the hole the other day and I haven't gotten around to paint it, but I did paint the red star. I wasn't too sure if I should have just painted all of it red, but I kind of like the white and the red with this little cotton wreath. And then down here I have this little cute what does it say? In God We Trust. I just think it looks so cute. It's just like a little girl and this salt shaker. And then on this other side, I have the boy Look at how pretty the star looks though, you guys. I really like the way it came out. I picked it up over at Hobby Lobby. It was $15, but it was a brown color, and I just painted it red, and I think it looks so nice. It's so nice and bright. And over here I have the same cotton wreath, and then here's the little boy. I think they're so adorable. Here's a close-up of my shelf, you guys, and then this beautiful flag. So beautiful. I had to put this on here just because it kind of tilts to the side. It's meant to be put on a piece of wood, but I really like the way it looks like that. I think it's so beautiful. So eventually I'll decorate right here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that with my Patriotic Decor. I might just leave it like that for now until I switch out for my fall decor. Since I do plan to have my Patriotic Decor probably till the end of July, since we do celebrate Pioneer Day here as well. So right here in this little cubby area right here on the shelf, I left my shutters in the back, and then I added that other shutter from Hobby Lobby, and then that big firework right there was also from Hobby Lobby, I believe last year. I just think it looks really pretty right here. And I added my picnic basket. I actually use that basket when we go to the park to take snacks or drinks. I think it looks really pretty right here. And then right here, I left it the same. I just added these little, I don't know what they are, like little fireworks. I don't know what they are, but I did add my what is this called, a garland? Yeah, my garland. I added that right there. And you guys, when I was taking it out of the box, my star right here was broken. I had to hot glue it right here, but you can barely tell unless you're really close by. Okay guys, and then over here on the other side, I love the way these came out this year. I think they look so pretty. I did leave all of my birds in the little birdhouse, and then I have my other firecracker right there, and then my window in the back. You can barely see it, but I think it looks really pretty. And then right here, I finally also put up my mirror right here. If you guys saw, I bought that over at Hobby Lobby, and I just think it looks really pretty. And then I just put in this, I don't know what that is, it's kind of like a basket material. You can actually hang it like on the wall as well, kind of like those wall pockets. And I just filled it up with those flowers that I had left over from my spring decor. I didn't want to put them away because I think they are really pretty. And then on here I just have my God Bless America pillow. And over here I put this other garland on the window. I just think it looks really pretty too. And then I have another like little arrangement. It's kind of facing that way though. And then over here I just have my other pillow. Here I left everything the same. I just have a whole bunch of small milk glass pieces right here. I have 3 of these bells right here, and then just little milk glass pieces that I've collected. And then over here I have all of these. I think these, I want to say these are ice cream bowls. I would definitely use them as ice cream bowls. I'm not sure if that's what they're for. And then you guys, I found this piece the other day. I don't think I posted that video yet. I'm not sure if you guys will see that one before this video. But I just found this one, and so this is the large, medium, and small one. So I'm really happy about that. And then down here, it's just my same plates that I had in there. I really didn't add anything on here. I just really like the way the milk glass looks. Then you guys, over here in my kitchen, I left everything the same above my kitchen cabinets. I just really like the way it looked. I just added a lot of red and blue to it. So I think it looks really pretty. And then right here, you guys, I made this little snack bar area for my kids. I just put a whole bunch of little snacks for them. And then here's my plates and paper towels right here, so they can just grab them if they want. And then I did use my sugar and creamer set, my milk glass ones. I just think they're so pretty. It's the hobnail one. Sorry, I wasn't really focusing, but look at how beautiful this is. And my favorite part is that it has this little stand right here. It's like a little caddy. I really like this. I think it's so cute. And then I just put my 3 stars right here. And then above, I just added a little bit of color to it. And I switched out the decor I had right here. I just think it looks really pretty. And then above my cabinets right here, I just added those ball jars that I painted. And then I added some flags. I just think it looks so cute. I was so happy with the way it looked. And then I finally fixed my onion, vegetable, and potato pots. And then there's those little chickens. Thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch my home tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one, besties. Bye.